Now, this is my grandmother's West Germany clock. The clock face here, 9 o'clock. I had to mess with the minute hand to get it properly aligned. It was out by 15 minutes and properly tightened. This is the movement. Typical old hammer style. Brass, movement, gears, gizmos, gadgets, all the fun stuff that I dare not take apart because I will not be able to put it back together again. Now, the one question I have is, what the fuck is this thing I am moving? What is that? What does it do? What is its purpose? I do not know. Back here, right down here, if you can see it, it'll focus, is the only mark I have found. PL46 West Germany 277 with CM after the PL46. Looks like it's taken a little bit of damage, age, what have you. No other mark I have seen. Obviously it's shown age, dust, dirt, nasty. And I was able to take it out by pulling on the wood slat here that it's mounted to. It uses long cord like these. Like that. Nice clear tone. Now I'm going to demonstrate the chime movement that still works really quickly here. First, on the Westminster setting. 15 minutes on the hour. One half hour. $45 minutes. I can even hear the tones playing in my head. And the hour, which would be 10 o'clock. So it hit 10 times. These are the hour strikers. I know, duh. Ding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the hour. Also, this stupid cover. This here is the pendulum mount. And as you can see, if it will, you can see the gear, it still moves. Oh, I see, it's getting caught on something. Why is it getting caught? What is it getting caught on? What is it getting caught on? Oh, I see. I see what the problem is. If it moves too fast, or if it goes, how does it, apparently it likes to get caught on the movement gear. Somehow, see how to fix that somehow, for it just needs a cleaning. But, yeah, it obviously still works, so I'll stop messing with that. So yeah, that's my grandmother's clock. I'll just take a picture of the front for you guys later. Post the URL in the description. And yeah, front glass broke. I'm not fond of that. Still have the key. So this thing might actually be from 1977. Huh, who knew? If I only knew who PL was.